Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to do Webull stocks using an easy method. First, download the Webull app from your App Store and begin the account creation process. You'll need to provide some basic personal information and verify your identity, which usually takes just a few minutes. Once your account is approved, link your bank account securely. This step is crucial for funding your investments and withdrawing any profits you make. It's a straightforward process, designed for quick access to trading. Funding your Webull account is simple. You can easily initiate an ACH transfer directly from your linked bank account within the app. For larger deposits, perhaps over $25,000, a wire transfer might be a faster option. Keep in mind that ACH transfers typically take about 3 to 5 business days for the funds to fully settle and become available for trading. Webull often offers promotions for new deposits, so keep an eye out for those. Now for the exciting part, placing your first trade. Use the search bar to find the stock symbol you're interested in, like Apple for Apple. Once you've found it, tap Trade and select your order type. A market order executes immediately at the current price, while a limit order lets you set a specific price. Enter the number of shares you want to buy or sell, review the details, and then confirm your order. It's that easy to start investing. Webull offers many powerful features beyond basic trading. You can use their advanced charting tools to perform in-depth technical analysis and identify potential trends. Explore options trading for more complex strategies, or invest in fractional shares to diversify your portfolio with less capital. Don't forget to check the description for a link to those fantastic leak-proof meal prep containers, as well as other great deals to help simplify your life. Happy trading!
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.